Sphere Finance stopped giving rebases the 8th of June, so it no longer gives a passive return of 99,000% APY. But why the project still has buy and sell taxes? Let's get into it. Sphere Finance started as an auto-staking and auto-compounding protocol giving 99,000% APY. In the case of Sphere, the project used this strategy temporarily as a marketing claim and to distribute the tokens during the first months. So Sphere's first income stream since the launch has been the buy and sell taxes, 13% for buying and 20% for selling. This income made it possible for Sphere to pay out rebases and build a treasury. And with this treasury, Sphere started working on expanding the Sphere ecosystem. First, Sphere bought most of the governance tokens of Tetsuswap, getting control of the decentralized exchange. However, this money wasn't only used to buy other projects, but also build real innovations in the Polygon network, like Dystopia and Penrose, which launched recently and aim to be the curve and convex of Polygon, providing deep liquidity to other projects. Sphere is also in the process of developing other utilities and projects within its ecosystem, like Prion, which is a cross-margin lending protocol on Polygon. None of these things could have been done without the buy and sell taxes, as these taxes funded the development of the Sphere ecosystem. The misconception with the buy and sell taxes is that you paid these taxes to buy and sell Sphere and you got your money back thanks to rebases. However, now that the rebases stopped the month of June, the general thought was that they would remove the buy and sell taxes. However, as we explained in past videos, rebases only creates inflation, which dilutes the value of your portion of Sphere. So in the end, rebases don't generate any wealth to long-term investors and were not a counterpart of the buy and sell taxes. Rebases just meant that investors would have their value distributed between more tokens, each of them worth less. On the other hand, burning the supply does create wealth, because if the supply of a Sphere decreases and if demand is kept the same, the price of each token will be worth more. So the strategy Sphere is following now is to continue building utilities and income streams in the Sphere ecosystem, while burning Sphere to reduce the supply and increase the price of each Sphere token. But don't get me wrong, I expect Sphere to remove the buy and sell taxes when the protocol matures in the future, as it wouldn't make sense for a serious project to have buy and sell taxes this high. However, at this turbulent time in the market, these taxes are a reliable income stream for Sphere to keep building during this bear market. So I wouldn't expect the project to remove them in the next few months. So in conclusion, this new deflationary strategy is more profitable for long-term investors, as it is effective in creating real value, which rebases didn't create. And Sphere will delay the removal of these buy and sell taxes to make sure they have enough capital to keep building in the Sphere ecosystem, especially during this bear market. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe to see more to-the-point crypto and investing content. If you want to know more about Sphere's long-term potential, check out this video in which we explore if a Sphere could perform a 100x in the next bull market. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.